This section will discuss to you the order of operation in Microsoft Excel. When performing calculations in a formula, Excel follows certain rules of precedence. It calculates expressions first within parentheses, then it calculates multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. More so, Excel calculates consecutive operators with the same level of precedence from left to right. We have an example of a formula of 10 plus 10 times 2. In this formula, we have multiplication and addition. So we will going to multiply first 10 times 2 before we proceed with addition. That's why it will give you a result of 30. Then we have another formula, 10 plus 10 times 2. So in this example, you will see addition operation inside the parentheses. That is why we need to add first the two numbers before we multiply it by 2, because addition is inside the parentheses. So in this example, we will going to have a result of 40. Let's have another example of 10 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. So in this example, we have division, multiplication, and addition. Since division and multiplication have the same level of precedence, we're going to start first with division before we proceed with multiplication, and then that's the time we'll go to addition. So in this example, we have 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. So let's have another example. We have 10 minus 5 plus 5. So in this example, we have two operations, which is subtraction and addition. So since they have the same level of precedence, we're going to start first at the left side, going to the right. So we have 10 minus 5, that's 5. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So this is how we use the order of operations in Microsoft Excel.